If you are a complete beginner or a small creator, one thing that might be holding your channel from growing is SEO. Yes. And listen, if you're anything like me, SEO, tag, description, title, and all of those stuffs can feel like one of the most boring parts of this whole YouTube thing. But here is the thing, it's also the most important part. So in today's video, I'm going to make it super easy for both of us to understand. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Yahaya Dorothy. Welcome to my channel. No long intros today. Let's just dive in. So let's talk about tags. What's the truth about tags? Are they actually important? Do we really need them? Or are they just a complete waste of time? In my previous video, I said tags have minimal effect, and I still stand on it. Yes, tags now have minimal effect on your videos. When YouTube was just growing, tags helped the system figure out what a video is about. The algorithm back then wasn't as smart as it is today. The system relied on clues from tag, description, title before showing videos to the right audience. But today, YouTube is way more advanced, and that's mostly because of something called Gemini AI. If you don't know what Gemini AI is, it's basically Google version of ChatGPT. They added Gemini AI to YouTube in late 2024, and they have been training it ever since then. So here is the point. YouTube now use AI to scan your video. It can literally identify your videos by watching and listening. That's how it knows who to recommend your videos to. So yes, YouTube is smarter than ever before, but I still recommend you filling out your tag box. Why? Because YouTube AI still collects data from there and use it for experiments. Tags might not boost your video ranking much anymore, but they are harmless and still occasionally useful. So fill them up. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Rapid Tags, or Gemini own AI tools to generate tags for your video. And the thing is, these tools are completely free. Now let's talk about video description. Do they matter? Should they be short or long? Should we include hashtag or link? Yes, video description matters. It should be really long and also include hashtags and link. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate your video description. All you have to do is to paste your full video transcript and give it a prompt. So here is the prompt, and I'll be reading it directly from my laptop, okay? Act as an SEO expert who specializes in ranking YouTube videos and Google search results. I'm giving you the full transcript of my video. Based on it, write a YouTube description that is strategically worded to rank high on both YouTube and Google. Use high traffic keyword and make it sound natural and persuasive, not spammy. Prioritize retention, relevancy, and CTR keyword, that is click-through rate, and structure it like a professional SEO copywriter would. That's it. You don't have to overthink it. Always remember this. Make your tags and descriptions specific and detailed. Because now it's not about ranking on YouTube anymore, it's about showing up on Google too. Both platforms are kind of merging. Now let's talk about video title. Does it matter if your keywords are at the front or at the back? Well, not really. What matters is this. Every video you create should be inspired by a successful YouTube video in your niche. If you've been posting for 2 to 3 years and there is no real growth on your channel, my advice is this. Start following trend. Check out your competitors. Look at what is happening in your niche. Then base your video's idea and title on those patterns. Up next is video thumbnail. Do thumbnail actually affect SEO? Technically, no. But with this Gemini AI thing, I have a feeling that they do. So yeah, your thumbnail still matter. So keep your thumbnail text under 4 words. Let your text be bold and readable. And for the color, use contrast bright color to make the background pop. And don't forget to add a reaction photo of yourself. That curiosity face works wonder, you know. If it's a sit down or talking video, use a picture. If it is not, look at what other creators in your niche are doing and model that. Now, let's talk about what you actually say in your videos, your actual transcript. Does it actually matter? Definitely, it does matter. Gemini AI tool is used to analyze your entire transcript. That's how YouTube knows if your video is monetizable or not. And if you say something that breaks the community rules, it catches that too. So as long as you stay on topic and keep your content clean, you are fine. Now let's talk about audience retention. That is the amount of time people spend in watching your videos. Does it actually matter? Yes, it does. And my advice to you is that always make a long video. Don't post any video shorter than 5 minutes. The longer, the better. For example, for a video of 10 minutes, if you can retain viewers for at least 4 to 5 minutes average view duration, that is great. YouTube is going to recommend the video very well. Then for a video of 20 minutes, aim for at least 6 minutes average view duration. And of course, this is just from my experience and analytic, but it works. And here is another thing. If you have a high click-through rate, like maybe 10% or more, and your average view duration is around 3 minutes or 4 minutes, your video can still rank very well. You just need one of these two, either a high click-through rate or a high average view duration. I have seen beginners obsessing over copying video tags from all these big creators. But here is the truth. Most of these big creators don't even use tags anymore for their video. And here is the reason why. They already have massive audiences. When someone with hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers upload a video, YouTube doesn't need tag to figure out what their video is about or who it is for. YouTube already knows who is going to click, watch, and engage on that video. Their fan base does the work now, not SEO. So if you're a small creator copying their tags, to me, it's kind of pointless. Big channels grow because of loyal fans and community trust, not SEO hack. If you really want to learn about SEO, study the mid-sized creator, the ones still growing. They rely on title, tags, and optimization to make their video rank on YouTube. So these are the ones you should copy or learn from. So stop wasting your time chasing someone else's tag. Put your energy into making videos that will actually make people watch till the end, because that's what will make YouTube to keep recommending your videos, valuable content that keep people on the platform. But the thing is, you can copy their structure, not their metadata. Now, what should we focus on? The algorithm or the audience? The truth is that this particular question has been like a debate on YouTube where a lot of creators talk about it. And most creators say that we should focus on the audience, not on the algorithm. But I will tell you this for free. You have to please the algorithm. Be on the algorithm good side first, because if the algorithm don't push your content, who is going to watch it? Especially if you're a beginner, you're starting on YouTube, nobody knows you. Even if your content is good but the algorithm didn't push your videos, who is going to watch it? Nobody. So focus on the analytic, your click-through rate and average view duration. But once YouTube starts recommending your video, you can now focus on the audience. Now let's talk about uploading time. Does it matter? Not really. But don't post your video 1 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., even as early as 6 a.m. when you know everyone is sleeping. And if you're in Africa, targeting viewers in USA, Canada, or UK, schedule your upload within their time zone. Now, let's talk about video categories. Do they still matter? Well, it used to matter before, not anymore. Why? Because YouTube now transcribes your video script and categorizes your video for you. So nobody really cares to go through the list to categorize their video themselves. If I should leave you with one piece of advice as a small creator, then it should be this. Get good at SEO, get good at tags, get good at video ideas, get good at marketing, then focus on your content. If you are posting daily and you're getting 20 views, 30 views, don't rush and quit yet. Calm down, go to your analytic, analyze all your videos, then think about it. But your thinking should be to make better content, not to quit. If you have watched this video to this point, thank you. I hope you find this video really helpful. And if this video have helped you in any way, if it has enlightened you, if it has given you insight, do well by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified when I drop new video. Make sure you click on this video right here after you are done watching this one. For now, bye. I will see you all in my next video.